Hi designers, Bluebert here. Welcome to Tinkercad, where we turn our ideas into 3D creations. Today I'm giving you a quick tour of the screen so you always know where you are. To create a new design, look up at the top of the page where it says Create. Click Create and then choose 3D Design. Now you'll see a brand new workplane with a fresh grid ready for your ideas. At the top, you'll see the name of your design. Tinkercad doesn't always say Untitled. Sometimes it gives your design a silly name like Fabulous Dup. That's funny, but not very helpful. Click the silly name and type a new name you'll recognize, like My House. That way you can find it fast later. This big grid area is called the Workplane. Think of it like your art table. But for 3D, everything you build starts right here. The squares help you line things up neatly, like graph paper. Over here is the Shapes panel. This is your shape bin, like Lego pieces for your design. You can click and drag a shape onto the workplane. Try a box, a cylinder, or a roof shape. Now, building in 3D means we need to look around our object. Here's how you move like a 3D explorer. Zoom in and out using 2 fingers on your trackpad, or the plus and minus zoom buttons. Rotate the view by clicking and dragging the background to spin around. Pan means sliding your view side to side, like moving the camera. If you get lost, don't panic. Tinkercad has rescue tools. This little cube is the view cube. It helps you look from different directions, like front, top, and side. Click a face of the cube to snap to that view. And if your design looks weird, click the home view to reset. When you click a shape, you'll see little handles. Those handles let you move it around the workplane. You can resize it by pulling the corner or side handles, and you can lift it up into the air using the black cone. Up is what makes it 3D, not just flat. See the curved arrows? That means rotate. Rotate lets you turn your shape. These buttons are undo and redo. They are your time machine. If you mess up, hit undo. If you undo too far, hit redo. Designers use undo all the time. Even grown-up designers. You can change a shape's color to help you plan and stay organized. Here's a super cool tool, Solid and Whole. Solid adds material. Whole takes material away, like a cookie cutter. Holes help you make windows, doors, letters, or secret tunnels. So remember, the workplane is your table. The Shapes panel is your shape bin. The View Cube helps you look around. That's the tour. You've got the map. You've got the tools. Now go investigate. Bluebird out.